What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Wall back with another video. Today we're gonna do a review on tire letters or tire stickers, whichever you prefer to call them. We're gonna talk about how easy are they to put on, do I recommend them, where I bought them from, how much I paid, and just basically, tell you guys how I feel about them, and maybe it'll help you go out, decide if you want to put something on your car. You might be thinking about putting something on your car, not too familiar with them. So stay tuned. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Drop a comment, and of course, hit that notification bell and subscribe. And we'll get back to the video.
I talk, they listen.
Luciano.
We bow our heads for forgiveness daily, cause in God we trust. Cause we came from the bottom, didn't have, but in God we trust. Couple revolver talkers started involving in drugs. Granny prayed for me daily, she had a problem with thugs. Family suffered, seen the struggle. Had to be a hustler. Why the fuck attend the school when all the teachers driving scufflers? There's no sense in it. Dope so good, fuck my foot, I put my wrist in it. Yeah, okay, now I'm building up my clientele and filling up my pockets. Rolling up, I'm high as hell, finna touch a rocket. I do this for the streets, and hood and every project. I got this, I get on the beat and turn to a lockless. I got it off the dope floor, got it off the drove smoke. Remember being broke, no joke, I had no hope. Started robbing, then got on my qualities over my...
So as most of y'all already know, I got a 2015 Chevy Camaro, 22-inch wheels, and yes, I do have tire letters on my car. I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see them, and we're gonna talk about them, tell y'all about how I put them on, where I ordered them from, and the process. So these are my tire stickers. As you can see, they kind of dirty, man. I've been driving through the rain and dirt roads and all type of shit in the city. But as you can see, I done had them on for about a month. That's the front tire. Check out back. Let y'all see the back tire. Yeah, they do say send nudes. I do get a lot of compliments on there. People be in traffic, they stop me, they give me thumbs up. People pull up next to me and they laugh at it. They like that one too. I just like being different, man, doing different stuff. With the tire stickers, you can customize them and make them say whatever you want to let them say. I decided to go with send nudes. I always do crazy stuff to my cars like that, man. Yeah, so that's my tire stickers. Like I said, you can get them customized. You can make them say whatever you want to say. You can have them say your name. You can go with the brand of the tires that you have on your car. You can have the type of car you got. Whatever you pretty much want them to say. I ordered mine from treadwear.com. It did come with 9 tire stickers. You get 2 for each wheel. And then you get an extra one just in case it mess up. They're pretty easy to apply. Use the glue that they send you. The glue that they send you, it holds them. But like I said, I done drove through the rain. I've dirt roads traveling 120 miles an hour. They still hold up. Some of them I did have to re-glue down, but that was just because of me. I did it the shortcut way on some of my wheels. They send you sandpaper and so that way you could sand the side of your tire down. You also want to make sure your tires are clean. When I did mine, I was kind of in a rush. I ain't worried about cleaning the tire, wiping it down. I did pluck the little things on the side that they tell you to pluck. I did take the hose off. Then I glued them on, hit them with a heat gun so they could stick. And then after that, I put the wheels on the car. It is a lot easier if you do it with the wheels off the car. I noticed that trying to glue them on the car, the glue tend to kind of run, and then it look a mess on the side of the wheel. So it is best to take the wheels off and put the stickers on with the wheels off the car. Like I said, I did get mine off of treadwear.com. You can customize them, make them say whatever you want to say. Send them what size tire you got. That way they'll send you the type of sticker that you need. So that way if you got low profile tires like mine are 265, 35, 22. And my stickers fit well on the sidewall. They not too big, not too small. They sit flush. I'll drop a picture so y'all can see. But yeah, they sit flush. I did let them know what size tires I had so they can custom make them for my tires. But I think they look good. Like I said, they easy to apply. They send you the directions. All you gotta do is follow directions. Take your wheels off, put them on. I use the heat gun so it can go ahead and stick. And me personally, I think it make the car look better. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about them. If you're thinking about getting them. If you got any questions, anything I can help you with, let me know. But yeah, I do recommend them. They do add a different look to the car. A couple of my partners got them on their car. I think it look excellent. I'll drop a picture of their car in the video also so you can see how it look on a different vehicle. But like I said, get on eBay, get on Amazon. Check treadwear.com out. And like I said, if I think that make your car look better, just order them, try them out. If you don't like it, you can always take it off. But I'm always about being different, and don't try to steal my sinews. And I'll see y'all on the next video.
Bomb to these bitches. My nigga La Familia got a bond with my niggas. And when they get locked up, I make the bomb for my niggas. Keep a bomb on my